What's up guys, Alpha Tech. Let's see how to make a YouTube banner. So let's hop in. Use Photoshop. So I'm going to show you the basic YouTube banner format. So one sec. Yeah, this is the basic YouTube banner format. From here to here is the mobile viewers, where your banner can be only visible for mobiles, and this is the tablet viewers where only mobile and tablet can use here, and this is the maximum PC size where only PC people can view your banner full. So our main concentration is this, so we can put all our unwanted here. So let's get in. So to install Photoshop, I have given links in the description if you don't have. It's a full installation video also, it's my friend's channel. So let's hop in. So the basic YouTube format, you can just Google it out, 256 144 pixel. So I'm gonna enter it into my just get into a new control N and just type the pixel format, and then the height should be obviously 1440, and here it comes. This is the basic YouTube format banner. So then first we have to make a graded photo in the sense I'll show you. This is a graded photo. One sec. This is a graded photo, so this should be how our look should be first with grid, and then we can remove the grid afterward. It looks very nice. So to do that, we have to first get the grid on it. So to get the grid on it, use the open, and you can download this. You can download it from any Google site, anything. Use this option rectangular and select the whole thing. Use Ctrl X, cut it, and then go to your banner one, and then paste it here. You can see it's nice. So then this is layer 1, so I'm gonna remove or reduce the obesity because I have to do work on it. You can see how nice it looks. So this should be it enough, 19%. So then our main concentration is this. So let's start putting our color in this. So you can put any random color using brush tool, and you can just get your color here, and then you can see how nice is it. But you're doing the wrong thing. You have to do this color on background. So if you do it on this, you can see it won't be colored on the grid, it will be colored on the banner. So then grid, if you remove it, it's going to be a problem. So then you can reduce the size afterward later, and this is how our banner is looking. It's looking nice. So let's bring in stuff in this. So I'm going to bring first myself. I'm going to use the quick selection tool. People who are not interested to see this, they can skip, and then I'm going to take quick selection tool actually does not detect brown color, so you can see behind me is not a good background. So if you take a green screen photo, it's best, but for now it's fine. You can see my shirt is not selected properly, and then just use Ctrl X and cut, and then go back to this and Ctrl V. You can see it's nice. You can delete this, not now. So then if you want to remove all the unwanted stuff here, you can see, so you can just remove that also, doesn't matter. You can reduce the size of this also, delete, and doesn't matter because it's on minute, so then it looks nice and decent. So then you can zoom out back. So then you can see it's nice, and then you can use Ctrl T to retransform it and put it back into the size. I'm gonna make it this much small and click on enter, it'll get size. You can use this move tool to place me properly. You can see it looks very nice. So if you want to add a border to me, you can do that. So layer 2, you can go to blending options over here. You have nice blending options. Go to outer glow, click on it, and then You can use any color, anything on me. I'll use this because I like this. You can use this, and you can increase the size and spread. So I'm gonna make it this much, not spread. I'm gonna increase the size of it, and opacity and noise I'm gonna make it full sharp. See it looking very nice and clean, and then click on OK. It looks very nice. So let's bring in some photos of our tech. If you want, you can add any type of photos. I'm gonna add first laptop. You can just Control X, hit select, and it's a PNG file, so you don't need to change anything. And then you can Control T and again retransform it, and you can make it to your size. And then if you click on enter, just place it where you want in my hand. So it looks very nice and decent. So then the next thing you have to do is place a monitor or a PC next to me, because I'm a tech YouTuber. For gamers, you can add anything such as guns or anything. Again, everyone the same process. Control X, Control V, Control T, and then resize it to the smallest, and then click on enter and move it wherever you want. This looks nice. So first I want to actually add my symbol here because that's my shine, but if you don't want it, you don't need to do. You can add anything such as your PC, your laptop. I'm adding this keyboard. This is Red Gas keyboard, sorry, Asus keyboard. This is very nice. I'm just gonna add it, cut it, and then gonna paste it here, and then I'm gonna retransform it because it's a big size. So I'm gonna make it very small and click on enter, and then you'll be able to place it here. So it looks very nice. So if there's something missing, you can eventually add it here, such as anything, your symbol. I wanna add this, headphones. This looks very nice, so I'm just gonna not make my stuff look bad. Then you can paste it here and you can resize it as normal. Go on enter, and then yeah, that thing looks pieced. So then here and here you can place it anywhere in between, because rarely people use tablets. So you can paste anything such as PC, anything. So then you can Control X and normal work, Control V, and I'm gonna make it a size, and I'm not even making it normal. I'm gonna rotate this. So you go above, you can actually get the rotate option, so you can rotate it and click on enter. It'll get done. You can paste it here. It looks nice. It looks exactly like my banner. And then you can add anything to, you can even add yourself, your friends. Your format should be correct, so you can, by this you can. So the basic thing, use this Control X and then normally work, Control V. One sec, I'm just gonna remove the unwanted stuff from my this thing. So then you can eventually make it small. This looks nice, and then enter, and then place it over here. Yeah, this looks very nice and decent. So these are TV area. Rarely people see that, but if you want, you can add unwanted stuff, or you can add some very less detailed things, such as I'm adding this keyboard and mouse. You can also add anything, a games photo. You can add anime, anything. So then I'm gonna paste it here, and obviously gonna resize it, and first confirm the size, put it this much, put it over here. Yeah, this thing looks very nice, and obviously a banner is incomplete without a symbol, so I'm gonna add my alpha text symbol over here. So it looks very nice, and I'm gonna place it over here. And you can add any type of text. Use this text tool here, you can see, and then make a border first, and then in this you can type anything. You can type with any language, no problem. You can type anything related to you. How I'm gonna type tech, and you can even change the font, and you can even change the size, so doesn't matter. And here you have to change the color again if you have any issues. And the text, I'm actually choosing white because or you can get it from internet, or if you want you can just leave it and click on enter. It looks fine and decent. And then if you want you can add even more PNGs, images and anything, such as this one. I'm going to just add for style. You can add n number of things because banner is very big in format, so you can add anything like this and then click on enter. This thing looks very nice. So first, if you have to export it without grid, the first thing, get on the layer 1. Layer 1 would be on the top. This one, this the, you can move it and check. If you move the grid, you can see original color, and due to opacity it was looking dark. So if you have any questions, also no problem, you have to just go and delete this layer. So it looks very nice and neat. So then after this you can go on save as. You have a option JPEG, save it in this, save it in the same. You can do on this, keep it on this, and your picture is saved. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.